Hello everyone, Munjebaleko. Some of you may be wondering what Munjebaleko means. It means hello, how are you? So when I say Munjebaleko, you have to say Jendi, okay? Yes, so today I'm going to be taking you through the different things that we find in a cafe. This one, its brand is Victoria Android, as you can see it. The coffee grinder is where we put the beans and we grind them for espresso. Okay, so it has these buttons. When you press here, that one is continuous, whereby it just flows here the coffee. But here, the doors, you can calibrate it if your calibration is. So now these parts, we use it for calibration. As you can see, it has digits. So when you bring this side, you're making it 5, and then when you roll it this side to the bigger side, to the bigger number, you're making it closer. So we use it to calibrate our beans to get the right taste of the coffee. Okay, so this one here, this hole, let me show you. That's where our coffee comes from. Okay, yep. So what other part? This is the on and off. Let me show you again. Now it's on. Now it's on. So when you press here, it's off. Okay, okay, I think that's all. So these are, today I'm using Burundi, Ethiopia and Brazil. So this is where we put our coffee beans. As you can see, they look so beautiful. The medium roast beans, medium roast. Yeah.
Ho! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey!
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go,